This is an inlet hose. This is an outlet PE hard hose. Let's install the inlet first. This is the inlet bottom valve. Unscrew the nut. Our HS series pumps are equipped with a load-bearing short tube. Put it in first, and then install the nut. Snap. Tip. Then screw on the top of the bottom valve. The bottom valve is installed. The bag comes with 2 nuts, 2 tips, 2 snaps, and an exhaust valve. In the same order as previously installed. Put on the nuts, then the snaps, then the tips. Then loosen the plug on the inlet check valve. On the bottom check valve is the inlet, and the top check valve is the outlet. Screw on the nut you just installed, and the inlet is installed. Now we install the outlet. We'll start by installing the injection valve, which is installed at the very end of the outlet PE hard pipe. Then put on the nut, the snap, the tip, push it in and screw it on. The injection valve is installed. Now we're going to connect the injection valve to the pump outlet. The other end of the outlet PE hard pipe, put on the nut, snap, and tip. Screw it onto the outlet check valve again. The inlet and outlet nuts must be tightened. Just tighten them manually without any tools. There's also an exhaust valve here, tucked into the side of the check valve. The HS series pump installation is finished.